skin glow. And today we're going to talk about grain vein and thin skin, what to do and what not to do. Are you battling with grain vein or thin skin? Come closer. This video is for you. Now, do you know that thin skin is not caused by the kind of skincare product you use alone? No. The kind of topical product you use on your skin is not the only reason. It's not the only cause of grain vein. Grain vein can also be caused by your skincare habit. What is your habit like? What is your skincare routine like? How often do you exfoliate your skin? Yes, over-exfoliating of your skin can cause your skin to be thin. By thin skin, I mean your skin does not look plump, it does not look healthy, it has green vein, it has red vein, it's not looking so fine and healthy at all. So if you are in such situation, what do you do? Now, this is what you should do. First of all, take a break from exfoliating your skin. You know, exfoliating your skin could be by using your exfoliating gloves. Using this exfoliating glove daily, every day, for a week, for a month, can make your skin thin. It's called an exfoliating glove for a purpose. It means it does the work of a scrub. It does the work of exfoliating your skin. Now, using your scrub every day can also make your skin to look thin. And when your skin is thin, those veins will start popping. They will start looking so obvious. And of course, it will make your skin appear very unhealthy. So if you have grain vein on your skin, you have thin skin, first of all, take a break from over exfoliating your skin. Take a break from exfoliating your skin. In fact, stay away from exfoliating your skin for a long period of time and then go into skin building. Skin building will help to revive the elasticity of your skin. It will help to rejuvenate your skin. And of course, it will make your skin look plump and healthy again. That's the kind of skin that, will make people turn and say, oh, please, what are you using? But when your skin look unhealthy, nobody's going to ask you, what are you using on your skin? So please stay away from over exfoliating your skin. Stay away from harsh skincare product, harsh topical product. Stay away from chemical peels. Stay away from using products that have unhealthy ingredients in them. Go for skincare product with natural ingredients like collagen, ingredient like argan oil, ingredient like avocado oil, ingredient like cocoa butter, avocado butter, shea butter is what you should look out for. Ingredient like vitamins, snail slime, snail extract, ingredient with hyaluronic acid are the ingredients you should opt for. Product with such ingredients are going to rejuvenate your skin and make it look healthy in a short period of time. Okay, so it's very easy. Now, another thing you can consider is our skin glow lotion. This lotion is very good for skin building, is good for anti-aging, and it's good for revamping your skin, rejuvenating your skin. So if you are taking a break from skin whitening, this is something you should go for. If you want to rebuild your skin, you want your skin to look healthy, this is what you should go for. So if you are battling with thin skin and you are battling with green vein, stay away from whitening product. Not because they have harsh chemical, but you need time to rebuild your skin. You need time to make your skin look healthy again. Give your skin time to heal. Give your skin time to breathe. Okay, sometimes we get requests from customers. Oh, I need whitening products. I need whitening products. Okay, we'll tell them, please, what's your complexion like at the moment? Can you send us a picture so we see, and then we can be guided on what to recommend for you. And when we see some pictures, we see that this skin does not need whitening product. This skin needs healing. This skin needs to be treated. This skin needs skin building. So it's not all about skincare. It's not all about skin whitening. No, skincare is all about healthy skin. So that is what is paramount, and that should be top on your list: a healthy skin and healthy skincare. So if you're battling green vein, you're battling with thin skin, go for our Skin Glow Body Lotion. And of course, you can pair this with our Glow Oil, pair it with our Fruity Glow Black Soap. Stay away from using scrub on your skin. Stay away from using exfoliating glove. Stay away from using any exfoliating product. I hope you find this video interesting. Follow us on Timmy Skin Glow channels on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, and on TikTok for more educative videos like this. Don't forget our products are readily available for immediate delivery, and of course, we deliver worldwide. See you in our next video. Bye.